Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plants and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we'll be featuring top 12 deer-resistant perennials that bring color and life to your garden. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below, and if you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So, let's get started. Number 1. Hellebore Lenten Rose. Hellebores are one of the first perennials to bloom each year, often pushing through snow to show off their downward-facing blossoms. These hardy plants feature leathery, evergreen foliage that provides structure even when not in bloom. Their flowers come in white, pink, green, purple, and even deep maroon shades, with some having spotted or double-petal forms. Deer tend to avoid hellebores because their leaves contain alkaloids that taste bitter and mildly toxic. They prefer cooler climates and do well in woodland or shaded gardens with consistent moisture. Once planted, hellebores naturalize slowly, forming elegant clumps that can last decades with little attention. Number 2. Peony. Peonies are a timeless garden favorite, known for their large, fragrant blooms and impressive longevity. Some varieties can live for 50 years or more in the same spot. Their flowers, ranging from bright pinks and reds to creamy whites and soft yellows, bloom in late spring, drawing in pollinators while discouraging deer. The thick, waxy leaves remain attractive long after flowering, adding texture to the garden. Once established, peonies are incredibly resilient to both pests and weather fluctuations. They perform best in full sun and fertile, well-drained soil, but patience is key. They may take 2 to 3 years to reach their full potential. Number 3. Astilbe. Astilbe is prized for its feathery plumes that bring soft color to shady areas. The flower clusters come in pink, red, white, and lavender, creating a lush and airy effect in garden beds. Deer avoid Astilbe because of its coarse foliage, allowing it to maintain its elegant look without damage. While it thrives in shade, it needs consistently moist soil to stay healthy. Mulching can help retain moisture around the roots. After blooming, its fern-like leaves stay decorative through late summer, keeping shade gardens visually interesting. Number 4. Penstemon Beardtongue. Penstemon brings a burst of vibrant color with its trumpet-shaped flowers that attract hummingbirds, but not deer. These hardy perennials bloom in shades of pink, red, purple, and blue, depending on the variety. They thrive in full sun and well-drained soil, making them ideal for rock gardens, borders, and pollinator-friendly landscapes. Penstemon is drought-tolerant once established, and its tall, upright growth adds height and movement to summer beds. Number 5. Foxglove digitalis. Foxglove is known for its tall spikes of bell-shaped flowers that bring height and drama to garden borders. Its pastel blooms, ranging from creamy white to lavender, are naturally avoided by deer because all parts of the plant are toxic. Though short-lived, foxgloves often self-seed, returning each year with minimal effort. They grow best in partial shade and moist, fertile soil. Because of their toxicity, they're best placed away from areas where pets or small children play. Number 6. Coral Bells, Heuchera. Coral bells are grown primarily for their stunning foliage, which comes in an incredible range of colors: deep purple, lime green, silver, and even amber. They add year-round color and texture to garden beds, borders, or containers. The plant produces small bell-shaped flowers on slender stems in early summer. Its leaves are thick and slightly hairy, making them unappealing to deer. Coral bells prefer partial shade and well-drained soil and can handle heat when kept slightly moist. Number 7. Tickseed, Coreopsis. Coreopsis, or tickseed, is a cheerful perennial that produces daisy-like flowers in yellow, orange, pink, or red. It's one of the longest blooming perennials, often flowering from early summer through fall. Coreopsis thrives in full sun and poor, dry soil, making it a favorite for low-maintenance landscapes. Deer avoid it, but butterflies adore it, ensuring constant activity in your garden. Deadheading spent blooms encourages continuous flowering, keeping borders bright for months. Number 8. Columbine, Aquilegia. Columbine flowers are elegant and whimsical, with long spurred petals that appear in two-tone colors, like blue and white or pink and yellow. They bloom in spring and early summer, filling partly shaded areas with delicate color. These plants self-seed lightly, creating natural drifts over time. Their foliage is lacy and soft, and deer tend to avoid it due to its slightly bitter taste. Columbine does well in woodland gardens or long shaded borders and attracts hummingbirds throughout its bloom period. Number 9. Salvia. Salvia brings months of blooms with upright spikes in shades of purple, pink, red, and white. Its aromatic foliage naturally repels deer, rabbits, and many harmful insects. Salvia is drought-tolerant and low-maintenance once established. It's perfect for sunny borders or pollinator gardens where butterflies and hummingbirds visit daily. Cutting back the first flush of flowers often triggers a second bloom later in the season. Number 10. Bee Balm, Monarda. Bee balm brightens the garden with shaggy red, pink, or purple flowers that attract bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Its mint-scented leaves repel deer and can also be dried for herbal tea. This plant prefers moist, rich soil and full sun, but tolerates partial shade. Regular division helps prevent mildew and keeps it vigorous. Bee balm brings color, fragrance, and energy to any garden, making it both decorative and useful. Number 11. Yarrow, Achillea. Yarrow is a hardy, heat-loving perennial with flat clusters of flowers in shades of yellow, white, pink, or red. Its fern-like foliage adds soft texture to borders, while the aromatic leaves repel deer and rabbits. It's extremely drought-tolerant, thrives in poor soil, and attracts butterflies all season long. Deadhead regularly to encourage repeat blooms, and divide clumps every few years to maintain vigor. Number 12. Black-eyed Susan, Rudbeckia. Black-eyed Susans are iconic late summer bloomers known for their golden yellow petals and dark centers. They're resilient, sun-loving, and tolerate a wide range of conditions, from heat and drought to poor soil. Their coarse leaves deter deer, and their bright blooms attract pollinators and beneficial insects. They're easy to grow from seed and spread gradually, creating cheerful waves of color that last until frost. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the top 12 deer-resistant perennials. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!